Need to restore accounting data from an Attache HYB backup file? These backup archives contain critical business financial data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through restoring these Attache accounts backup files. For those rare occasions when Windows and standard apps fail to open your HYB, I'll reveal the dedicated third-party solution that serves as my professional failsafe. A HYB file is a data backup created by Attache, an accounting and business management software suite. Users create these files to safeguard critical financial data, such as payroll, invoices, and general ledger information. Restoring from a HYB file is necessary after data loss or when migrating data. This is a proprietary binary archive, likely compressed to reduce file size. The internal structure is designed for data integrity, containing a snapshot of the database tables and configuration settings at a specific point in time, ensuring a complete and consistent restoration within the Attache software. Essential file access for HYB relies upon the utility Attache BI from Attache software. Full rendering of all file components is dependent on dedicated proprietary software. Windows isn't equipped to interpret save system snapshots, requiring dedicated restore tools. Begin the search for the right application. Right-click the HYB file and select Open With. Try Attache BI first. If it's absent, select another program. We must find the app that recognizes the format. When your HYB file does not open, it is usually a small issue. If you're still with me, that HYB file is truly stubborn. We need to stop guessing and start testing. Let's check these critical failure points now. First, restoring with Attache. Launch Attache Accounts software and access the backup restoration function typically under File or Tools menu. Select the HYB file and follow the restoration wizard. Specify whether to restore to existing company or create new company file. Attache processes the backup, recreating the accounting database from the backup data. Next, verifying restored data. After restoration, verify accounting data integrity by reviewing key reports like trial balance accounts, receivable aging, and inventory listings. Compare with last known correct figures to confirm successful restoration. Reconcile bank accounts and review audit logs for any anomalies that may indicate restoration issues requiring attention. Finally, maintaining regular backups. Configure Attache to create regular HYB backups, automatically protecting against data loss. Store backups in multiple locations, including offsite or cloud storage. Test backup restoration periodically to ensure HYB files are valid and recoverable. Document backup procedures and recovery steps for business continuity planning. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.